So in Facebook, you cannot delete your Facebook app from your mobile. Okay, you can disable it, but still Facebook gonna remain in your phone working. So these are the apps which you can see here. See, these are the apps. These are the Trojans. Okay, they contain some of them contain spyware. Some of them contain adware. Okay, you might have seen you when you click when you open any application in your mobile. You might see there are various of ads down there in the bottom of the screen. There are lots of ads. Okay, so they are the adwares. Okay, they are not the genuine app. And these are some examples of it. So, and the second thing about is the third party app. First thing is the third party. Third party application. Second one comes in is guys please machine. Okay. Also known as SMSing. Okay. So it is SMS based phishing. Okay. SMS based phishing sites or links. Attacker can send any malware, any Trojan, any malware, Trojans. Okay, saying that your account is hacked. Please change the password of your Facebook account. Okay, so like that, it is the SMS which you're gonna receive. Okay, spyware. They can send you the spyware kit to the link to the SMS. Okay, let me give you one example of it. You guys can notice here. This is a good example. So this is an SMS. Okay, delete your account. Okay, so delete immediately. Oh, they are charging you. Okay, and if you really want to delete your account, they are even charging you $2 for that. So this comes under smashing or smishing. Okay, it is SMS based phishing links or SMS based phishing sites and malware and trojans. Now computer based. Okay, so the first is again phishing. Attacker creates a fake page which looks genuine. From that, they can steal sensitive data. Okay, so here uh, in this computer based, we have a practical. Okay, but unfortunately we have some power cutters, so I'm not able to get the RDP access from here. Okay, so Octa is having some power cutting. So let me just go through something and check it. Okay, so computer basic is phishing. Phishing. Attacker sends malicious link to target. There's some sensitive information. Okay. Now there are they create a fake page. Okay, the how this attack uh, will looks like they create a fake page. Okay, fake page of any website that looks genuine. Okay, that looks genuine, and when you click it, it is a phishing website. Let's take one example of it. So first thing, phishing page. Phishing page. Here again. Here. Can you guys see the URL? That is localhost slash phishing. But the page is about the Facebook page. It is a Facebook page, and but the link, the URL is not satisfying. Okay, so the URL is not legitimate. I'll show you another example. This is Instagram. Okay, so see here, the link they have blurred it. Okay, so there are few differences. Okay, sign in with the Facebook. They in the real one you're gonna have a link with redirection link of Facebook. Okay, and in the solo Instagram fake account, you're gonna not receiving any Facebook. You just have so almost everything is same, but the thing is the URL first thing, and second thing is the login page with your Facebook. Okay, the login page, the login link of Facebook. Okay, so there are two types of attacks. in computer-based phishing, LAN and MAN. So in an attack, attacker needs require to be in the network, same network, in the same network as of the target. Okay, then only the LAN attack can be successful. Okay, attacker needs to be in the same network as the target. Now, the tools which we're going to be using for this attack is Black Eye. Okay. But I couldn't show you any practical of that. In the next lecture or the upcoming lectures, I will show you. But please note it. Anyone, please remind me of it because today we have a power outage of it, so I'm unable to get the RDP session. Like I GitHub. GitHub is a framework, okay, where you can get the source code of any program, okay, in any computer language, C, C sharp, C++, or JavaScripting or Python 3. So this is the GitHub is a framework where you can get any source code. Okay, it might be related to any developer thing or hacker thing or AI thing. Okay, code review issues, anything. See your solutions, products, solution, open source. So this is the Black Eye tool which we're going to be using for Kali Linux in Kali Linux. Okay. Okay. So I'm not going to be doing any practical today. We were doing it, but because of the issue, we can't. So I'll explain you in this picture. So // black eye dot sh. Okay, sh means it's a bash scripting. Okay, it is this program is written in bash language. So after running the program, you're gonna receive a good interface about what we uh, using. Okay, which site we are going to be cloning. Okay, there are various of sites here. We can see Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, GitHub, Google, Yahoo, LinkedIn. Okay, anyone which we can clone. Okay, so the Instagram, if you click on Instagram, we're gonna be receiving the same exact page as Instagram. Okay, in here they have used six, which is of Google. They are using the Google image. Google, they are cloning the Google website for that. And see this. Here it is written, send this link to the victim, to your target. So you have received the link. Okay. And before that, it's gonna be starting your ngrok server. Ngrok is acts as a server in Kali Linux to get information to store the uh, steal credential. Okay, stolen credential. The server ngrok server can store the stolen credentials using the help of this link. Okay, so link is https whatever the submission name, the link name .ngrok.io. Okay, so this is the link, and here it is using the shortened link instead of that victim. Okay, the shortened link is tiny.in. Okay, So use this link, send this to your victim, send this to your target, and if they click on it and they're gonna use their credential, they're gonna log in with their credential, and they're gonna be redirecting to the actual Google page. Okay. For example, if we use the Instagram account, okay, Instagram, we clone it here. Uh, Instagram. See, this is the actual Instagram page. Okay, we can clone it. Your web page source, copy it. I'm gonna store it in my notepad. I'm gonna save it. Insta.html. Okay. So yeah, not allowing me to do that. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Guys, it's not loading. It's not on. Okay, no matter. So the thing which you're gonna be receiving with that cloning is we're gonna be receiving that Instagram actual page, this login page. Okay, so you can type anything over here, any password. But the thing is, in URL, we're gonna be receiving the ngRock. See, I'm typing here ngrok.io, but the web page it's gonna be seeing something like this. Okay, so the cloning part. Okay, so the same Instagram login with Facebook, but the link here is gonna be malicious. Okay, either it's gonna be ngrok or either it's gonna be our own personal IP address. Okay, but remember this attack is only be gonna be successful in our LAN attack. Okay, with the same network. It's of our target. Let me close the window. Now, when wide area network. Okay, LAN stands for local area network. WAN stands for wide area network. And in when it is important to have a personal hosting. Okay, everyone here know about the personal hosting. Okay, web hosting. Anyone here? Are you guys familiar with the hosting, web hosting?
Yes, sir.
Everyone else? Okay, just give me a second.
No giving.
Okay. Okay, you guys are. We have a web server here. Okay, now we have a web server. In that web server, we're gonna be having a space. Okay, we're gonna be having some small partitions, small spaces in which we're gonna be hosting our website. Okay, in that web server, we're gonna be receiving space. In that space, we can host our website. Hosting means hosting means making our website public, publicly available. Okay. So hosting means we are making our website. Okay. Anything. It could be an xyz.org, xyz.com, google.com, anything. If we are owning a website and we are hosting it on a web server, we're gonna be getting space where we can host the website, and also we're gonna be getting a domain. Okay, domain means anything like .com, .org, .iu, .in, .uk, .us, anything like that. .com, .uk, .us, etc. is known as domain. Okay, So in this web server, in our web server, we're gonna be receiving the space domain, and in that we're gonna be putting our web code, okay, the source code in that, and we're gonna be hosting it. We're gonna be making our website publicly available globally. Okay, okay. So anyone we can that can access the our website globally. Okay, from anywhere with any internet. Okay. So this phenomenon is known as hosting, web hosting. So in when it is important to have our personal hosting. Okay, it is really important to have a personal because if you was, let's just say, for example, if I'm sitting here in Canada and my victim is in US, California, I cannot use the LAN attack. Okay, I cannot use the LAN attack because I'm not into his network and he is not into mine. Okay, so we cannot use the LAN attack here. But with the help of WAN, when I'm hosting a web server from my end, from Canada, and I'm sending the link, I'm making it public. So if my target is might be anywhere in Dubai, in Canada, or in California, in Florida, he might be anywhere. But if he click on the link, he gonna be receiving a web page, same like this, okay, same like this web page. But the thing is, the IP address, okay, here the IP address gonna be legitimate. So the difference between the LAN and WAN is IP address. I can change the IP, but in the LAN attack, I cannot change that. But in WAN attack, I'm able to change it. Okay. So the first point in WAN attack, uh, can change URLs. Okay. Uh, Attack outside the network. Outside the network. And so yes, outside the network, we can run our phishing campaign. Now, this is the actual requirement for that. First is personal hosting. Second, we can change our URLs, okay, making it legitimate to allowing the victim to believe that we are a genuine website, okay. And okay, so the difference between LAN and WAN, in LAN attack, you're gonna be using your own private IP address, okay. You're gonna not be seeing any legitimate website or URLs. But in WAN, you can change the URLs. You can go outside the network, and if you send the link, if you send your web page to anyone in the globe, they're gonna be victim to your attack, to your phishing campaign. So also second requirement for an attack is the HTML source code of the website which we are cloning. Okay, and a PHP code to steal the web credentials, to steal the credentials. Okay, to steal the credentials. So here we are going to be requiring three things. First is our personal hosting. Second, the HTML source code for the website which we are planning to clone. Okay, and the third thing is the PSP code, which is gonna help us stealing the credentials from the victim. Okay, now um, just type Facebook phishing page. Just click any. Okay, here, how to create a Facebook phishing page. Yeah, here it is. The PSP code which is gonna allow you to steal the credentials for the victim. Copy it, save it. Okay, I saved it. Now, hello.
Yes, sir.
Are you guys here with me? All of you? Hello.
Yes, yes.
Is anyone having issue with my voice? Hello.
No, 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 it's clear.
The rest of you? Just to from actually, I got rejoined in my own session. I don't know how that happened. That's why I was asking about. Now, can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, Kevin.
So, um, view page source. Find it, guys. Okay, so come here. Now, when we copy the source code of any website, okay, let's just say Facebook, find the post method. Okay, here in the method section, we have a post here. But what the issue which I'm getting is the about the action variable, action attribute. Okay, beside this post attack, there is a thing which is I must say the variable as action, and in that action we're gonna be storing our PHP code file name. Okay, see our PHP code login.php here. Uh, I'm having issue with this, guys. I really need my Kali Linux machine for that, and currently I'm not, but I don't have it. So please adjust it. So in the source code file, search post. Okay, in that matter attribute, there will be another attribute which is known as action. Okay, I've written this, but it's gonna be from the start action type, and in that we're gonna be putting our PHP code file name. Okay, PHP code file name. Let's just say I save the name as login.php. Okay, and I'll save it. And okay, I'm gonna be creating a folder, new folder, name Facebook. As you can see here, I've created a folder named Facebook, and I've put the source code file and the uh, login PHP code. Let me open it with the notepad. Here, can you see here? The header is set to the location of www.http.www.facebook.com. Can you see here the facebook.com and open the log.txt. Okay, so our credential will be getting stored in the log.txt file. Okay, txt file. So this is our main adjustment which we're gonna need to do. I'm gonna take a screenshot, copy it, come back onto the page. Hey guys, both of this, the source code file and the source code file and the login PHP, they need to be associated with each other so that whenever you are hosting this file, okay, you're gonna be hosting this file on your web server, and whenever the user comes on your website and he stores, he puts his credentials on that login page, you're gonna be that website gonna call this link, this file, that website or your phishing website. gonna call this file, and through that file we have written a code which is called as that you're gonna be storing our credentials, any credentials, stolen credentials in log.txt. So this is the actual uh, thing, backend thing. Okay, I don't have my Kali Linux. Excuse me for the inconvenience. I can show the practical, but mostly this is the actual thing which is gonna be doing. I hope you guys are okay with it, all of you. Hello, hello.
Yes,
Yeah.
Kevin. That
Lot of stuff. Uh, what's BRB? Uh,
Oh, sorry. Be right back.
and yes, important thing. You can see your I've stored I've stored this file name as .php. It is really important to store your file, your stolen credential file. Okay. See, this file is your source code file. Source code file, and this is your stealing file, stealing PHP file. Okay. Always store your stealing PHP file in .php format. Okay. Always remember that. And these two files, your source code file and your PHP file, should remain in the same folder. And that after that, you're going to be hosting the whole folder. Okay. You're not going to be hosting only this file. You're going to be hosting the whole server on your website. And when the user come to your website and he puts the credential into that, you're going to be receiving his credentials in the log.txt. Okay, log.txt file. Okay, and this will do lab tomorrow. Yes, of course. Actually, history from. See, I had planned. I had planned phishing campaign for you guys, but the thing is, because of the power cut, I got a call from. I got the call from the HR manager that they are having some issues with the electricity. So I'm not able to get the RDP session with them. Okay. Uh, this thing, this thing is practical, not theoretical. Okay. Okay. This thing is practical, and to show you guys the practical. Yes. Tomorrow, if it is okay with them, if they are not facing any issues, first thing in the start of lecture, we're gonna be doing this practical. Okay. So don't worry about it. Now, any doubt here? Any doubt with this whole concept? Anyone having doubt?
No, sir.
Everyone else? Talk to me.